I'm meteorologist Peter Chan at the National Weather Service for Alaska statewide weather on this Saturday, August 30th. Well, flooding and high water continues to be a problem on a number of river basins across the western, central, and southern portions of the mainland. Flood warnings continue along the Koyukuk River at Ellicakit as well as Hughes, though the water levels at Hughes are not expected to be as high as they have been at Ellicakit. We have a flood advisory on the Kobuk River at Kobuk, and then in the Susitna River Basin, flood warnings continue on the Yentna River at and above Lake Creek, and also the Talkeetna River is under a flood warning, and these warnings will continue into this Saturday night and Sunday in many cases. Also, flood watches are in effect the rest of this weekend through early next week for areas of the western interior that include the Noatak, Koyuk, and Koyukuk River basins from around Red Dog down through Huslia on over to Bettles. Another 1 to 2 inches of rain will fall later this weekend and early in the week, which will keep river and creek levels elevated through that time with the potential for some additional flooding. Area of low pressure pushing through the central Bering will have a front that has breezy conditions and more moderate rain overspreading the eastern Aleutians, Alaska Peninsula, and then along the west and southwest coast that will be spreading inland to the southwest and western interior as we head through the remainder of this Labor Day weekend and early in the week. Meanwhile, in the southeast panhandle, it's another story. Continued quite warm and dry, especially the southern panhandle, thanks to a ridge of high pressure over the Gulf and North Pacific. And this ridge will tend to reassert itself as we go through the upcoming week. So actually, we'll likely see some more warm temperatures, even perhaps a few heat advisories for the southern panhandle coming up in the week ahead as temperatures get back up into the 70s with even some 80-degree readings possible. And we are now into aurora viewing season. We finally have enough darkness at night now in Alaska. And solar activity lately has been high. There's a 25% chance of X flares and a 75% chance of M flares. So if skies are clear, keep your eye on them at night. For Alaska statewide weather, I'm Peter Chan.